My name is Chef Heston. I'm working here at Blue Island Lodge on Lake Malawi National Park. Today's my day to show you some of the best foods which I'm doing here at the island. I'm starting with one of my salads. This salad is a version of Greek salad. It's just about presentation. When you come here, I expect you to see something different in terms of presentation, because I love my food and cooking for people. So it's to show my love on the plate. So next is the fish dish, which is a main course, one of the best fish we do here at the island. It's a fresh fish from the lake. We use lemon, onion, and garlic. Chilies fresh from the garden, a little bit olive oil, and lemongrass from the garden. So these ingredients are already on the fillet. Now I need to wrap it nice and easy. You know the fish is soft, so you make sure that you don't make the fish inside. As I'm wrapping here, I can smell the ingredients, the freshness of the banana leaf. This is ready to go to the steamer, but now let me put other ingredients on the plate. Here I have steamed beans, steamed zucchini, steamed carrot, grilled red peppers, and roasted tomatoes with thyme, rosemary, and garlic. Smells nice and tastes delicious. My next item is pomme puree. This is smooth mashed potato. So now I'm going to put a little bit of this. Now my steamed fish is ready. Smells nice and delicious. So the banana leaf brings a nice dark green color and brings aroma. Even before opening the banana leaf, you smell the freshness of the fish. My last dish is Panna Cotta with the granadilla compote. I'm taking off my Panna Cotta from the ramekin. So this is what I do. Now it's the time to put the granadilla sauce. Put around the Panna Cotta. Gives some different color to the Panna Cotta and a nice texture. So my last final touch is the mint. This is one of my favorites to add more color, green color, and now we have it. Panna Cotta with granadilla compote. That's it. 3-course meal. Hope to see you soon at Blue Island Lodge so that you can enjoy our food.